Happy Sunday, guys. Yeah, we now in May, the month of love. Apparently, it's a month of enjoyment, a month of self-reflection, actually, more than anything else. It's a slow month, as I say. It's a month where we can go within ourselves and try and focus more on our peace and our wellness and also on our heart chakra as we learn to open up and be more aware of who we are and to also express love, right? So today's topic is about confidence. Okay. Confidence is quite an interesting thing because it's something that everybody needs to survive in this world, right? Confidence is also very much ignored. It's not really seen as something that's very important for your development as a person, but it does. Because from a young age, you, as a small child, you are either taught to be more confident and more be able to more be vocal and speak your feelings and be very aware of yourself, right? But again, it depends on your upbringing and how you were brought up, your parents, how your parents